Hi, my name is Chisnell Gabriel, the president of TOMES, TOMES, which stands for the Original Movie Explosion Studio. I'm about to give a brief introductions about TOMES since we have a lot of people who truly want to know about us. The dream finally comes true. TOMES is the acronym of the Original Movie Explosion Studio. TOMES is the type of studio that influences people to make a difference. The name is chosen because TOMES is unique. It has a strong core and cast that are very creative and imaginative. In addition, as the members of TOMES, we are real, very dedicated and down to earth when it comes to film industries. We are also influenced by our ways of living to transmit them into motion pictures. We strive our best to make great scripts to catch our fans' attentions and make them believe in our fine works and our vocations. Let me tell you, our scripts are amazing and our final products are on fire. Later on, we will have some great interviews with our cast and fans so you can hear their point of views about TOMES. We are shooting our first feature film in PA. We are urging our credentialed people out there to join us. Now it's the time. We are looking for actors and actresses. Please, if interested, feel free to email me at chisnell.gabriel@thisistomes.com. On behalf of TOMES, your time is greatly appreciated and we are looking forward to working with you. So long.